Ever wondered how artificial intelligence can transform the way you earn money? Welcome to a world where technology doesn't just make life easier, but also helps generate income. Today, we're delving deep into the workings of Google AI and how you can use it to earn up to $950 a day for free. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's start from the basics. Google AI, or artificial intelligence, is a complex algorithm developed by Google to learn and mimic human intelligence. It's not just a tool for tech giants and software developers. Believe it or not, you can use it too, and it's easier than you think. To start earning with Google AI, follow these simple steps. Step 1, familiarize yourself with Google AI. Understand how it works, its capabilities, and its limitations. Google offers a plethora of resources to help you learn about AI. Step 2, identify a problem that Google AI can solve. This could be anything from automating tasks to predicting trends. The key here is to find a problem that many people or businesses face and are willing to pay to solve. Step 3, develop a solution using Google AI. This might sound daunting, but don't worry. Google provides tools and platforms like TensorFlow and AutoML, which can help you build AI models without needing to know complex coding. Step 4, market your solution. Once you have a working solution, it's time to let people know about it. Use social media, blogs, and even local networking events to promote your product. Step 5, monetize your solution. This could be through selling your product or service, offering it on a subscription basis, or even providing AI-based consultancy. The choice is yours, and the possibilities are endless. And there you have it, a simple guide to earning with Google AI. It may seem like a lot to take in at first, but remember, every expert was once a beginner, so why not give it a try? The world of AI is vast and constantly evolving, so keep learning, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep sharing your experiences. Who knows, your story could inspire someone else to start their journey with Google AI. So get started today and unlock a new world of opportunities with Google AI.